Here we go. We are at Blacktooth Brewing. It is 12:06 a.m. This is take 2 with Chet. And we're going Blacktooth to Blacktooth, and then we're onto the trail. Our goal is to hopefully be back here tonight, since it's really early this morning.
Yeah.
To be here tonight.
Oh man.
Before midnight. Before midnight for sure. Yeah. But hopefully more like 6 p.m. 6 to 8 p.m. is kind of the window that I'm shooting for. So we'll see. Here we go. We're gonna have lots of fun.